What is up, guys? What is up, my friends of YouTube? It is Sergio here with Tech Overclock, and today, guys, I am reviewing something very cool. I am going to do a sound test comparison versus another microphone. Now, this is a lavalier microphone that I am reviewing, especially built or especially designed for the iPhone Lightning connector. You know that Comica products are simply great. They're simple to use, they're on the budget side. Well, not kind of a budget side, if you ask me. I wouldn't call it budget when it passes $50 price. So you know you're paying for something good when you're paying more than $20, I guess. So right now, guys, I am taking a look, and actually you're listening to the audio right now. I am recording to my phone, right? This is just the empty box, and it has the goodies in there. But you can see that it has a controller type of thing. It's got a volume knob, right? Well, it's not a knob, it's kind of a slider. And it has the on and off switch. But at the same time, on the on and off switch, it has the low cut filter, which pretty much low cut filter is going to reduce the bass. It's going to reduce the bass of your vocal, so it's more thin and crisp. Well, not really crisp, but anyway, this is a controller right here. I'm also going to do some B-roll shots. It also has an headphone output, and on the gain volume right here, I did notice that you want to have well, it regulates the volume of the microphone. So right now I am recording, like I said, to my phone, and I got the volume slider to about 50% in here. Now if I increase the volume, you're going to hear it louder. So here it goes. I'm going to go all the way to the top. So 3, 2, 1, I am going all the way to the top, and it's probably going to be distorted with a lot of distortion. So I'm going to bring it back down to, let's say, all right, it's about 30% right there, and right here is about 50%. I am using the built-in app voice recorder from Apple, and you can actually see the waves being recorded, so you can monitor how loud you are peaking. It tells you right here. Well, you can actually see, and it tells you. So that is pretty cool. And what is the function for something like this? Well, you might do an interview. This thing is very cool to have around because it has a cute little carrying bag, so you can take this in your backpack if you go to school, if you're going to do an interview. Man, for whatever reason that you need a lavalier microphone. And actually I am going to be using this quite often because sometimes I go to places and I want to record something, and well, you know that the microphone from iPhones, they're okay, but it's not top quality if you ask me. So you know what, guys, let's go ahead now and test the sound of the original headphones, the Lightning earpods or headphones. Let's go ahead and test the microphone sound, this versus this lavalier microphone. But before I do that, let's go ahead and test the quietness of this microphone. So what I'm going to do is, at the volume that I got right now, I'm going to be quiet right now. Alright, so you probably heard dogs barking, semis going by the freeway, because I live close to a huge freeway. Not close, probably about 1.5 miles, but I can still hear the vehicles. And what am I going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and bring the volume down all the way and hear the difference. Here it goes. I'm bringing down the volume. All right, I'm bringing back the audio. It's about 50% of the controller right here. So what am I gonna do now is I'm gonna kick in the low cut filter. Here it goes, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. This is with the low cut filter applied. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Hello, hello. All right, so enough with that. Enough with playing around. Let's go ahead and test the sound quality of the original microphone, right? Let's go. All right, so before I test this, right now I am testing the sound of my iPhone built-in microphone. And probably you are listening to a crackling noise. When I got this iPhone, I didn't buy a brand new, obviously. I bought it from someone on OfferUp. I did notice that it came in with this crackling noise that you're probably going to hear right now if I quiet. Well, I might seem like a liar. Upon editing the video, I didn't hear the sound, but look at this, look at this. So I'm gonna be quiet so you can hear the crackling sound, okay? All right, let's go back to the video. So that is the noise of this microphone built in. So that is the reason why I wanted something better than this microphone. Now, let's go into this microphone now. All right, guys. Well, you are now listening to the Apple EarPods. Now, I tried looking for the microphone, right? But I can't seem to find it. It's somewhere, I don't know if you can see that. It's somewhere in here. Now, right here is got the microphone painting logo in it. I think the microphone is inside. So the sound, I am assuming that the sound quality is going to be muffled because the microphone is not it's not a physical microphone pointing at you. So this microphone is not, to record vocals or record things like that. Although I've done some secret recordings in places that I am not going to reveal, and the audio is usable. Like, it's usable. And this microphone picks up very wide. The audio is omnidirectional, polar pattern, means it picks up audio right here, all around it. It's not like those shotgun microphones or like these microphones that only focus the audio in front of you. So right now you are listening to the Apple EarPods, and we are comparing the sound test to the Comica Lavalier microphone, and the name of it is the SIG.LAV V05 MI. Weird name, Comica makers. Come up with easier names to read, right? These names are crazy to read. So let's go back to the Lavalier microphone. All right, another of the cool things that I like is that this little device right here can power these headphones, and I can hear myself real time. I am listening to myself right now. So that is pretty cool, but you know that you are not going to be using that probably when you are recording someone, or you might. This was your host, Sergio Teco. This product is worth it. It's going to enhance your audio. It's going to make it sound way better. And what I like the most of it is that you don't need adapters. It's already pre-built for iPhones and the lightning connector. I do have a microphone set up, and I use adapters, and they create that hiss noise, and it's very, very disgusting. I'll see you guys next time.